German Celette, From Workshop Problem to Industrial Breakthrough, 1952 onward. In the early 1950s, France was rebuilding. Cars were becoming more common, roads were busier, and accidents were increasing. Yet body shops faced a serious problem. When a vehicle's structure was bent in a collision, there was no precise, standardized way to realign it. Repairs relied heavily on experience, intuition, and improvised tools. Results varied, and structural accuracy was often compromised. 1952, the problem that sparked an idea. Around 1952, German Celette, technically minded French engineer and craftsman, was closely observing these limitations in vehicle repair workshops. He noticed that mechanics lacked a reliable reference system to restore a car's geometry to its original factory specifications. Instead of accepting this as the way things were done, Celette approached the issue as an engineering problem. What if a car could be fixed to a rigid platform and measured against known reference points? This question became the foundation of everything that followed. 1953, the birth of the Celette bench. In 1953, German Celette designed and built his first vehicle straightening bench. His idea was revolutionary for its time. A rigid bench to immobilize the vehicle. Dedicated fixtures, jigs, corresponding to precise factory points. A system that allowed accurate measurement and controlled pulling. This meant a damaged car could be returned to its original structural geometry, not just close enough. The system worked, and workshops immediately saw the difference. Founding the company, Celette. Recognizing the wider potential of his invention, German Celette officially founded Celette in 1953. What began as a technical solution quickly became a manufacturing enterprise. With the support of his wife, Anne-Marie Celette, the company began producing benches and fixtures for professional body shops. Anne-Marie played a crucial role in organization, administration, and commercial development, helping transform German's invention into a sustainable business. Expansion and industry recognition, 1950s-1970s. As vehicle production diversified, Celette responded by developing model-specific fixture sets, more robust and modular bench designs, systems adaptable to new car architectures. By the 1960s and 1970s, Celette equipment was being used well beyond France. The company gained a reputation for precision, repeatability, and engineering rigor, making it a reference in professional collision repair. Manufacturers and insurers began to recognize Celette benches as a standard for structural accuracy. Later years and legacy. German Celette continued to refine his concepts while the company expanded internationally. Over time, Celette evolved to include advanced measuring systems, modular and mobile benches, compatibility with modern unibody vehicles. German Celette passed away in 2004, but his original idea, fixing a car to a precise reference system to restore factory geometry, remains the core principle of Celette technology today. Why his work still matters. German Celette did more than invent a tool. He professionalized structural repair, introduced measurement and repeatability into bodywork, changed collision repair from an art into an engineering discipline. Modern frame benches and alignment systems worldwide still follow the logic he introduced in the early 1950s.